Hi, I'm Stephany, and welcome to Repair and Replace, your online resource for quick and easy repairs. In this episode, we're going to replace the flush valve assembly on a two-piece toilet. To find the right valve that fits your toilet, explore our website below. To begin, you'll need a flush valve assembly, a sponge gasket, tank bolts, needle nose pliers, channel lock pliers, a crescent wrench, a flat blade screwdriver, a plastic container, a large towel, and a sponge or cloth. The flush valve assembly is part of your toilet that allows water to drain from your tank into the bowl. Over time, the rubber seal can erode, causing a slow leak between the flapper and flush valve seat. If you replace the rubber flapper and your toilet continues to leak, the flush valve will need to be replaced. First, close the shutoff valve. Now, take off the tank lid. Hold down the lever to completely drain the tank. With a towel or a sponge, remove any additional water from the bottom of the tank. Disconnect the refill tube from the overflow tube. Remove the flapper chain from the handle arm. Place the plastic container underneath the toilet. Next, disconnect the water supply line. You might need to use the channel lock pliers to loosen the nut. Let the remaining water drain into the container. Underneath the tank, you will see several bolts that anchor the tank to the bowl. Use a flathead screwdriver to hold the head of the bolt while you loosen the nuts with the crescent wrench. Remove all bolts from the tank. Now lift the tank off the base and place it on a large towel. Now remove the gasket. Hold the flush valve assembly and use channel lock pliers to unscrew the lock nut from the base of the tank. Now remove the assembly. Clean any of the tank bowl connections to ensure a tight seal. Use a sponge or cloth and gently clean to remove any grime or debris. Place the external seal on the bottom of the flush valve. Now place the new flush valve in the tank and align the overflow tube to the same position as the old valve. Now hand tighten the lock nut. Use the channel lock pliers to tighten the nut a quarter turn. Be careful not to over tighten, as this may crack the tank. Now slide the sponge gasket over the lock nut. Place the tank on the base and align the mounting holes. Now place the new bolts into the mounting holes and hand tighten the nuts. Now tighten the nut an extra quarter turn. Be careful not to over tighten, as this may crack the tank. Connect the refill tube to the overflow tube. Next, connect the chain and leave a ½ inch of slack. Check the range of motion and adjust the chain accordingly. Once you have a good length, trim the chain. This will prevent it from getting caught between the seat and the flapper. Now connect the water supply line. Finally, open the shutoff valve. Allow the tank to fill and inspect for any leaks. Check the water level and make any adjustments. Finally, replace the top of the tank. If you found this video useful, hit like. To keep up to date on Repair and Replace, please subscribe. And for the widest selection of parts, low prices, and same-day shipping, explore our website below. Thanks for watching.